Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Amit More. So today we are going to start with the unit number 4 of employability skills for standard 10th, that is the entrepreneurial skills. So already all of us are known about the entrepreneurial skills which we have learnt in the ninth standard. So let us have the introductory part of it. Entrepreneurship is being talked about a lot in the world today, and especially in India. Entrepreneurship is the type of self employment where one is running a business to satisfy the need of people and looking for ways to make the business better to make profits. This unit focuses on encouraging students to learn about entrepreneurship and its functions from the world around them. तो सबसे पहले entrepreneurship मतलब क्या? The self employment. Okay, self employment where one satisfies the business need and the need of people also, and through it he or she does a business to make the better profit. That is the entrepreneurship. Okay, now entrepreneurs are all around us. We would have spoken to a lot of them through the course of this module. We also learn that successful entrepreneurs have the following qualities. First, they are confident, they believe in themselves and their abilities. The very first thing, the first quality of the entrepreneur is the confidence, and they believe in themselves or their abilities. Means what? Here the self management comes. Next, they keep trying new ideas in their business. न्यू आइडियाज़ इन द सेंस, देखो बिजनेस बड़ा होना चाहिए, प्रॉफिट बढ़ना चाहिए, विथ द लेस एफर्ट्स वो बिजनेस बढ़ना चाहिए विदाउट एनी डैमेज टू द प्रीवियस बिजनेस. So that is their idea. Okay, the next is that they are patient. They are patient मतलब उनको पेशेंस बहुत अच्छा है रहता है. उनका पेशेंस अच्छा रहता है इन द सेंस कि वो जो लोग रहते हैं, अगर कोई डिसीजन रॉन्ग हो जाता है या फिर कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है तो वो ज़्यादा पैनिक नहीं होते. दैट इज़ द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द पेशेंट people. Okay, they doesn't get disturbed too much because of any wrong decision. That is the best quality of the entrepreneur. Then they are creative and think differently about the business idea. This is also very much important. You have to be creative, you have to think differently, and you have to generate new ideas in order to increase the business. Okay, next, they take responsibility for their actions. जो भी वो डिसीजन लेने वाले होंगे उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो लेते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि अगर सक्सेस मिलती है तो कोई भी उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता है, बट अगर फेलियर आता है तो उसकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमें लेनी चाहिए. दैट इज़ द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योर. देन they take decisions after thinking about them. After the whole thinking, in both the ways, pros and cons, they do take the decisions. Then they work hard. This is the best quality, all of us know. They do not give up when they face difficulty. This is also very much important. अगर आपको फेल्योर आ रहा है तो आपको कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, या फिर डिफ़िकल्टी आ रही तो देखो, अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो सॉल्यूशन रहता है, ये आप ध्यान में रखो. सो दैट इज़ वाई डोंट गिव अप एनी इन एनी केस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. So we will start with the session number 1, entrepreneurship and society. What is entrepreneurship and society? What is the relation between them? That already we have discussed in the last year. We learnt last year that the two ways in which one can earn a living are through wage employment and self employment. Wage employed people are people who work for a person or an organization and get paid for that work. Self employed people are those who start businesses to satisfy need of people. A self employed person who is always trying to make his or her business better by taking risk and trying new ideas is the entrepreneur. Okay, so all of you are aware about it actually. Let us see the example. Ramya and Ramu both own plant shops. Ramu sits at his shop every day. When customers come, he sells to them. Ramya walks around and gets customers to her shop. She also sells seeds and flowers with her plants. Now, Ramya is working to do more and grow her business. She has also added a different idea to her business. So, Ramya is an entrepreneur and Ramu is a businessman. देखो राम्या का क्या कर रही है, जब भी कस्टमर्स आते हैं, जब एक्चुअली राम्या क्या कर रही है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी कर रही है, so that the customers will come in large amount. ओके और रामू जो है वो सिर्फ एक जगह पे बैठा है, अगर कोई कस्टमर आता है तब वो उसको वो जो भी कस्टमर की डिमांड होगी वो पूरे करता है. सो देयरफॉर इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट, राम्या इज टेकिंग मोर एफर्ट्स एंड शी इज डूइंग द बिजनेस इन डिफरेंट वे. Therefore, her business will be more effective, more profitable than Ramu. Okay, as she is an entrepreneur, and actually she is doing the advertisement also, and because of which her number of customers are more. So therefore, she is entrepreneur. Now, you have identified entrepreneurs around you. Where do these entrepreneurs do their business? Entrepreneurs run their businesses in a market. The market has people who buy products and services and people who sell them also. When people are buying and selling from each other, it is helpful for everyone because everyone involved makes money. This is how entrepreneurs help in growing the area एंड सोसाइटी दे लिव इन. तो वो जो सोसाइटी में रहते हैं उनका बिजनेस इम्प्रूव करने का काम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स करते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट आदिति एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है. आदिति हैज़ अ स्टोर वेयर शी सेल्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ shampoos. She has many customers. She buys the shampoos in large quantities from a woman. There are two men who work in the store to help her sell. Aditi is helping people in her area to make money. She also increasing jobs in her area. Aditi is helping the people in the society around her to live better. So what do entrepreneurs do when they run their business? Now, तो देखो entrepreneurs एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं बिजनेस रन करते वक्त. एक्चुअली दे आर सोशल वर्कर्स ऑल्सो एंड दे आर businessmen also. Okay, so let us see what do they do. They fulfill the customer's need. Demand means a product or service that people want. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट पीपल वांट. पीपल की नीड क्या है वो आइडेंटिफाई करना. ओके, एंड देन दे यूज देयर क्रिएटिविटी टू कम अप विथ अ बिजनेस आइडिया दैट विल मीट द डिमांड. मतलब डिमांड को नीड जो है या फिर डिमांड है वो आइडेंटिफाई करने का काम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स करते हैं और वो प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस वो पीपल तक पहुंचाते हैं. दैट इज द फर्स्ट वर्क द एंटरप्रेन्योर डू. मतलब कस्टमर की नीड आइडेंटिफाई करना. सेकंड, यूज लोकल मटेरियल्स. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स यूज द मटेरियल एंड पीपल अवेलेबल अराउंड देम टू मेक प्रोडक्ट्स एट लो कॉस्ट. मतलब देखो, अगर आपके एरिया में कोई स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री या फिर कोई स्मॉल स्केल पे अगर कोई बिजनेस चल रहा है, उधर प्रोडक्ट्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं, वो प्रोडक्ट्स अगर आप ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में लेते हो तो आपको वो कम कॉस्ट में वो प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे. ओके, सो इन दैट व्हाट विल यू डू? आप क्या कर सकते हो, वो कम लो कॉस्ट के जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो आप खरीद सकते हो. उसके ऊपर आप आपकी क्रिएटिविटी अप्लाई करके कोई नया प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हो एंड डेफिनेटली आपका जो नया प्रोडक्ट होगा उसकी कॉस्ट भी कम होगी दैन द अदर्स. एंड कॉस्ट कम है इसीलिए डिमांड बढ़ेगी या फिर आपके कस्टमर्स भी बढ़ जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट, they do help the society. Entrepreneurs have a positive relationship with society. They make profits through activities that benefit society. मतलब सोसाइटी को भी बेनिफिट होना चाहिए और उनको भी प्रॉफिट मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा उनका काम रहता है. Some entrepreneurs work towards saving the environment. Some give money to build schools and hospitals. This way the people and area around them becomes better. These are the roles that entrepreneurs do in the society. मतलब सोशल वर्क भी होता है और उनको प्रॉफिट भी मिलता है. ओके, हाउ डू यू थिंक entrepreneurs affect the society they live in? Let us read. First, they create jobs. The very first and important thing, entrepreneurs क्या करते हैं? जॉब क्रिएशन करते हैं. मतलब नीड अगर उनको समझ में आती है, कोई भी नीड अगर उनको समझ में आती है तो वो उसके लिए जो मैन पावर है वो ढूंढने में लगते हैं और जिनको ज़रूरत है उनको काम दिया जाता है. मीन्स व्हाट? दैट दे आर क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स. दे आर क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स. They hire more people to work for them. In this way, people have jobs. Then, with growth of a business, entrepreneurs look for more people to help them. They buy more material and from more people, they also hire more people to work for them. मतलब अगर पीपल हायर करते हैं मतलब उनके लिए वो काम करेंगे और उनको भी पेमेंट देंगे. ओके, इन दिस वे दे क्रिएट अ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. देन शेयरिंग ऑफ वेल्थ. वेल्थ मीन्स हैविंग इनफ मनी. वेल्थ मीन्स हैविंग इनफ मनी टू लिव अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ. एज एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ग्रो देयर बिजनेस, द पीपल working for them and in related businesses also grow. देखो क्या होता है, अगर आपके पास इनफ मनी है टू लिव अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ तो एंटरप्रेन्योर क्या करते हैं, वो जो मनी रहता है वो इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ विच द बिजनेस ग्रो होता है, बिजनेस बढ़ता है एंड देन दे कैन हैव मोर मनी टू लिव द क्वालिटी, बेटर क्वालिटी लाइफ. मतलब अगर आपके पास पैसा है तो आपको वो इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो डेफिनेटली वो बढ़ता ही जाएगा. अगर आप एक ही जगह पे रखोगे तो इट विल नॉट ग्रो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, लोअर प्राइस ऑफ products. As more entrepreneurs sell the same product, the price of product goes down. For example, when more mobiles were getting sold in India, the cost of phone becomes lesser. लेट अस लर्न अबाउट द रोल ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। मतलब देखो अभी इधर क्या है, अगर सेम प्रोडक्ट आप सब लोग एक ही प्रोडक्ट अगर बेचने लगोगे तो उसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा है, डिमांड कम हो जाती है कि नहीं। अगर पॉपुलेशन आपके एरिया में 10,000 की पॉपुलेशन है, आप मोबाइल फ़ोन्स आपके सपोज एक 10-12 मोबाइल के दुकान है, मोबाइल के शॉप्स है, तो हर एक मोबाइल के शॉप में अगर 1,000 मोबाइल के पीस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, इतने सारे मोबाइल्स तो इतने लोगों को एक दिन में ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे या फिर पीपल परचेस कर लेंगे। उसके बाद का क्या, और डिमांड नहीं है तो प्रोडक्ट की प्राइस भी कम हो जाएगी। सो देयरफॉर एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर व्हाट यू हैव टू थिंक, जो डिमांड है सोसाइटी की वो आपको देखनी है और वो आपको बेचना है। ओके, नेक्स्ट, भारती द ज्वेलरी क्वीन। भारती इज अ यंग woman from Bihar. Many girls in her area like to wear earrings. She buys jute from a farmer and makes earrings from that. Her business is called Manavi Natural Handicrafts. She sees that most women women in her village do not work, so she hires two women to help her. As her orders increase, she buys more jute. She hires three more women to work for her, and the farmer and the women working for her now earn more money. They are able to save money for their future. मतलब क्या हुआ, डू यू थिंक भारती इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर? डेफिनेटली वी कैन सी यस। ओके, क्योंकि उसने बिजनेस भी ग्रो किया है, उसने जॉब्स भी क्रिएट किए हैं, और जिस फार्मर से वो जूट खरीद रही है उसका भी प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया है। ओके, तो हम देखते हैं अभी क्वेश्चंस अबाउट भारतीज बिजनेस। व्हाट डिमांड डिड भारती आइडेंटिफाई इन हर विलेज? सो द आंसर इज गर्ल्स इन हर एरिया लाइक टू वियर earrings. Okay, next, what is the local resource that Bharti used? That was the jute. How is Bharti helping her village grow? By buying jute from local farmer who can now earn money, by providing jobs to local women, both A and B. So option C is correct. How was she creating more jobs? The options are by selling earrings to women without a job, by buying jute from local farmer, by providing jobs to local women. So ये देखो बी और सी दोनों करेक्ट है इधर, बी और सी, बाय प्रोवाइडिंग जॉब्स टू लोकल विमेन। अंडरस्टूड? इन दैट वे शी हैज़ क्रिएटेड द जॉब। देन we have read how entrepreneurs help in grow of the society around them. Let us try it out ourselves now. Okay, now let us see the exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. Look, first is entrepreneurs can create jobs in the market. Yes, it is true. It is true. When many entrepreneurs sell mobile phones in a market, the price of phone increases. It is false. Entrepreneurs identify a need in the market and build a product or service for it. Entrepreneurs identify need in the market and build a product or service for it. It is true. Next, subjective questions. List the ways in which entrepreneur affects a society. तो उसके वेज आपको ऊपर दिए गए हैं। हाउ द एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अफेक्ट द सोसाइटी? दे डू हेल्प द सोसाइटी बाय क्रिएटिंग जॉब्स, शेयरिंग ऑफ वेल्थ, लोअर द प्राइस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, लाइक दैट। देन we will see the session number 2 also, qualities and functions of an entrepreneur. In the previous session, that is the session number 1, we read how entrepreneurs help in the growth of the world around them. To help the society, how do they think and behave? Let us see the qualities of entrepreneur. Quality is a way in which a person acts or behaves. Some examples of qualities in people are hardworking, nice, rude, etc. Read the comic strips in the figure 4.2 and 4.3 and learn about the qualities of entrepreneur. Look, you must believe in yourself. You should be confident and take business decision. Now look here, first quality of entrepreneur is the confidence. Oh, that idea did not work, but it is okay. I keep trying new ideas. Trying of new idea. This is the second quality of entrepreneur. Then in the third picture, if you observe, let me just scroll it up. Okay. Here, confidence is the first quality. Trying new ideas is the next quality. Running my business is difficult, but I am patient because I know success will come soon. Third quality is the patient. I have creative and different solution to the problem. That is why I am successful. Creative mind. This is the fourth quality. Let us see the next. The story of Jafar. Oops, I made a mistake. But it was my decision, so I take responsibility. Taking responsibility for the failure. This is the next quality. I take decisions after thinking. Decisions. You have to think thoroughly and then you have to decide the further path about whether they are good or bad. I am working so many hours Sunday also, but I work hard because it is good for the company. Hard work. Next, sometimes I have so many problems, but I do not give up. Not to giving up is also the quality of the entrepreneur. I stay positive because everything will be fine. This confidence should be there. Okay. Now we have read about the qualities of successful entrepreneurs. Let us find what the entrepreneurial qualities we have. So those qualities we have to think and then we can move further. Look, here you can observe some functions of an entrepreneur are there: making decision, managing the business, dividing income, taking risk, create a new method or idea for the product. The examples that you have to read, what are the functions of the entrepreneurs. Okay, now let us see the exercise. Here are some stories of some entrepreneurs. Take the options for the quality they are showing. Ravi's customer comes to his store and starts shouting at him. He doesn't get angry. He listens to what his customer is saying. So he is a patient. पेशेंस पेशेंस है उसके पास, इसीलिए वो विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग ही इज लिसनिंग टू द कस्टमर. नेक्स्ट, सुशीला डिसाइड्स टू सेल हर कंपनी tires in Sri Lanka. It does not sell and she has a loss. She apologizes to the people who work for her. She says she will plan better next time. So she takes responsibility for the mistakes. Okay, जो भी गलती हुई वो उसने अपोलोजाइज किया, इसका मतलब है उसने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसके कंधे पे ले ली, उसने उसकी गलती एक्सेप्ट कर ली. ओके, नेक्स्ट, टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर द functions that entrepreneur is doing. Ali has a diamond factory. He pays his employees on the first of every month. Means what? On the first of every month, he is managing the business. Next, Mary buys bulbs for her business from Noida. She learns that bulbs are cheaper in Faridabad, so she decides to start buying bulbs from there. means what? She has she makes a decision. Okay, she makes a decision. Then Rehnuma has two people who work for her. Every day she spends 1 hour with them to learn about what they have done that day. Means what? Rehnuma has two people who work for her. Every day she spends 1 hour with them to learn about what they have done that day. Means what? In order to create the product, she has to take this decision. Okay. Next, subjective question. What do you think is the most important function of entrepreneur? Write your answers giving suitable example. Most important function. Look, ये आपको डिसाइड करना है कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन क्या है. मैं तो बोलता हूँ सब फंक्शंस इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ओके, मेकिंग डिसीजन, मैनेजिंग द बिजनेस, डिवाइडिंग द इनकम, then taking risk, creating new method, idea or product, all are important. Okay, so this is also very much important. So for today we will stop over here. Thank you.